Hello and welcome to my Tokyo adventure video. In this video I will be talking about the Appa Hotel. The Appa Hotel is a 3-star well-known Japanese hotel. Among Japanese people it is known to be quite expensive apparently. So in this video I will be giving you a tour to Appa Hotel Asakusa Eki Mae. So this will be the hotel. I entered via a chip card. So this is it. Would you look at that? Alright. It's nice and closed. Alright, so let's see. When I entered the hotel it was like so amazing. It was so luxurious compared to the other one. So this is a 3-star hotel actually. Look at that. Yeah, it looks nice. It's so amazing. Put my shoes there. And here we have dustbins actually. Look at that. Combustible and non-combustible. It's so awesome. They're so eco-friendly. And here we have yeah, to put your clothes on. I don't know. This is my luggage. Just put it there. This is a shoe spoon. Not sure how to call it in English. And some slippers for the bath. And these are just some other slippers, I don't know. Probably for women anyway. Alright, so here we have the desk. Here you see some tickets for the breakfast. So I have 3 of them. This is the air refreshener. I kinda used it. And when you spray it doesn't smell like anything. So it's a neutralizer. Alright, so here we have actually my convenience food. Actually, let's just look at it. Should be fun. So this is my melon drink. It was kind of sweet. Alright, so another thing I got is the Hokkaido melon soft candy. Apparently it is very special. Some woman at the streets told me that this is a unique Hokkaido melon candy. I don't know. So I actually received it's a pretty funny story actually. I received leaflets from some women. Yeah, I don't know. It was about religion, so it was very funny because they had it in Dutch. I did not expect that at all. So yeah, they told me that this melon candy was very unique. Alright, so moving on. Oh yeah, actually here we have the room service. You have Domino's Pizza, and would you look at that, a whole lot of variety of choice. You can order desserts and stuff and whatnot. Pause the video if you want to watch it. Alright, so that aside, let's look at this now. So this is some kind of VIP card or something. I'm not really sure. It's a lot of kanji. So that out of the way, now let's see. We have a relaxation service. It's kind of weird. The prices are kind of high, so I don't really recommend it. I haven't tried it out, however, but yeah, it should be good, but eh. This is a laptop rent. You can rent it for like 1,000 yen. But yeah, and a Wi-Fi password. Some kind of leaflets and folders, and here we have another drink of mine. Here we have the remote control, which you're going to use in a while. Alright, so some notepad, a switch for the LAN connection, and a LAN cable connection, just some sockets, and here we have a telephone, a boiler to boil water in, and let's have a look at the fridge. So here we can see my keiki, my sweet keiki, and some some glasses to yeah, to drink water from or something. I don't know. It's just fun. They have 2 of them anyway, by the way. Right. So in this drawer we have cups, we have some spoons and sugar. Furthermore, we have creamy powder, we have tea bags, and of course we have coffee. Right, so next up, let's take a seat. We have the vision of the whole desk. It's so nice. Alright, so let's go. Here we have another drawer. We have a dryer. Yeah, really handy for women, I guess. Some tissues or something like that. I'm not sure what this was, but down here you can see fees for the laundry and such. Yeah, and it's just I don't know. It's like really weird. Alright, this is a cable for the hair dryer. Alright, that aside, let's have a look around. So here we are going to the bathroom now. This, I tell you, this was so amazing when it came here. It was so amazing. Like, look at that. It's so clean. It's so super clean. We have some towels over here, and we have a lot of accessories. I don't know. Anyway, they have a razor, a freaking razor. It's so amazing. They also have a comb, yeah, whatnot. It's I don't know. Here we have a smaller box, some cups. Here we have face and hand soap, and a temperature adjustable shower, which is just luxurious compared to my other hotel. So it's really nice to have, you know. Here we have some conditioner, some soap, and some shampoo. Really amazing smell, by the way. Here we have the shower itself. So it's actually a shower and a bathtub in one. So you can see the bathtub. It's quite small, but it's okay. It's okay. I am near 6 feet long, so yeah. And here we have some toilet paper, and this is where I was hoping for. The toilet is so nice. I know that sounds weird, but the toilet is so amazing because you have it's just so clean. It gets cleaned every single day, and it's just too nice. So here we have some luxury options, as you can see here. You can adjust the intensities, and this is an oscillation for the rear, and this is an oscillation for the front, and the pressure system. It's just so, yeah, it's just cool to see, you know. Only in Japan. Alright, so moving on. Alright, so here we have the bed. It's so amazing. I have a twin size bed, by the way. I'm not sure. I ordered for one person, but hey, whatever. It's nice. Alrighty now. So we have the bed here. It's really silky and soft. It really is. And the pillows are from silk, so they're just super nice. Here we have a socket system. So as you can see, I really need it for the Wi-Fi and my telephone, which is obviously not connected now. And of course my power bank, by the way. Really needed those, as you can see. And here we have some systems, so you can play around with the lights at the hall or the doorway, I mean. And this is from this bathroom, which you can see. This is from the ceiling. Yes, it's pretty. It was like this when I entered, like really nice atmosphere, you know, not too shady, not too bright. It's just nice. Right, so this is for the desk light. Always, that's kind of okay. Alright, so furthermore we have the system for the air conditioning. So I'm playing around with it a little bit. It's kinda, it's really, you really need this during the summer months in Japan, I can imagine, because the air conditioning is really good. I played around with the settings before, and it's really responsive and just so nice. So you can adjust the degrees and the intensity, and of course the flap, as at which angle the air conditioning will provide your air. So it's kind of cool. It's upper resorts, It's a sign from the cleaner. It's a alarm clock, always nice to have. And some more tissues. I don't know, many tissues. Alright, so let's have a look here. Here we have... I really don't know what it is, to be honest. Okay, and this is supposed to be a chair. It was really weird because it looked kind of weird. So let's go. Sit on it. And it actually was a chair. It actually was. I feel like Japanese people use this to put their socks on or something. I don't know. Yeah, it's a nice little thing to have. Here we have the TV. Let's have a look now. But before, look at this awesome origami crane. It's just so amazing that they make these. Alright, so this is all my souvenirs. Put them away for a sec. Here the remotes. I'm just going to put those away too. Yeah, these are the things. I don't care. Okay, let's go. But before we go, here's words from the future. Please put your volume rocker up a little bit. I was talking very softly at the section of the video because my neighbors were sleeping at the time in Japan. Thank you very much. This, oh my god, it's just a Sony-like interface. What's this? Movie, anime, oh my god, anime. Ooh, so we got movies and drama, anime / kids, entertainment and comedy, hobby and relaxation, adult content, free of charge, and bookmarks. What's free of charge anyway? Back to home, let's go to anime. Oh, that's a kids, anime. Okay. What's this? Okay. Hobby and relaxation, what's this? Yeah. Movies and drama, what's this? Japanese movies. Oh, this is so amazing. It's just so amazing. Makes me want to stay in the hotel all day, man. Jumanji. Oh, this I think I'm going to watch that later. Wow. Let's go to the actual TV, shall we? Ah. Yeah, anglerfish. Okay.
今年6年目を迎えた初音ミクマジカル未来を取材映像とライブダイジェストで紹介。
With the dawn of a new day in Indonesia, the scale of the destruction becomes clearer.
トンの死骸などが塊となって沈んできたのです。
気温で見てみましょう。昨日は穏やかでした。
透明ネットワークか。お前ら次こなんだ。
キロほど離れたジャワ島西部のブラカン村にここが合わさるとイチゴがダメになっていくので、
客の言うことが聞けないってわけ。
客の言うことだからって何でもありなの。
お客様、大変申し訳ございません。
また4時。いい気持ちだぜ。
What's this?
たまにはこうしてのんびりいいもんだろ。
I don't know. I don't know what that was.
BBC News.
Poor people. What's this? It's the anglerfish again. Oh, this is it? Okay, that's enough TV for now. Because I wanted to show you one more thing. One which myself, I don't know. And that's the view. Okay, we're on the 7th floor, so... Well, the view isn't too great. However, it's still a better view than what we got in the previous hotel. Okay. So that's what we got. Alright, and with that section of the video done, we will now head towards the title screen. I thank you all for watching. Alright, so thank you again for watching. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. And please tune in for the next video I will be uploading. And to all my Japanese watchers, mitete kore, arigatou gozaimasu.